All right, so for the last exercise here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new site page variation for our seasonal content. Okay, so like I said, we can keep things in parallel, but we're going to schedule its publication to be published at the end of November and then revert in January. All right, so let's go ahead and do that together. Let's start by creating our new seasonal site page variation. So click on Options and Site Page Variation on the main Livingston Hotels and Resorts site in that staging section, if you're not already there. And let's click on the Add Site Pages Variation button here. All right, we're going to go ahead and name this one Holiday Season Variation. Okay, and just like we did before, let's go ahead and change the Copy Pages option to Main Variation. This is where we want to get our pages and content from. All right, and go ahead and click Add. All right, so now we can go ahead and close this. This is going to change it to our Holiday Season Variation. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the banner into a more seasonal banner as a start for the content updates, and then we can go ahead and schedule the publication. All right, so open up the menu, go to Content and Web Content in the Site Administration panel. All right, let's go ahead and add our new banner by clicking Add and Hotel Banner. All right, so for the title, let's go ahead and do Livingston Holiday Banner. All right, and for the summary, this is going to be a seasonal banner for the Livingston site. All right, for the hotel name, let's go ahead and just do Livingston Hotels and Resorts. All right, for the lead text here, we're going to type Spend the Holidays in Paradise. I'm actually going to capitalize this here. All right, and for our image, let's go ahead and click on Select. All right, click Select File. Make sure you navigate to your exercises in either C Liferay or User Home Liferay. Okay, and in that 10th section, go ahead and select the Livingston Seasonal Banner.jpg. Okay, go ahead and open that up. All right, go ahead and click Add. And we can scroll down and click Publish. All right, so now we have our new banner. We can go ahead and replace the original banner in our variation with this new seasonal banner. So go ahead and click on Go to Site in the Site Administration panel. Click on News and Specials. All right, and we're going to go ahead and change the banner here. So click on the Options menu and Configuration. All right, click Change underneath where it says the Livingston banner and select the Livingston Holiday banner. All right, and go ahead and click Save. All right, so now we have our new banner here. We can go ahead and make sure that this is scheduled. Okay, I'll close this here. Scheduled to publish during the holiday season. So again, in November, and then it will republish in January. So let's go ahead and mark this as ready for publication. Okay, and go ahead and click Publish to Live. And instead of using the simple publication options here, we can go ahead and click on the option that says Switch to Advanced Publication. All right, so this brings us to our advanced publication options. We have the ability to schedule. We can be selective about which pages we want to publish, as well as what content we want to publish as well. Okay, so feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look at some of these options or even play around with some of these options. But for our purposes, we're going to go ahead and click on Schedule under Date. So for the start date, let's go ahead and choose November 1st. And you can choose a time here if you'd like. All right, and then we can select End By. So this is how we can automate the publication of our holiday variation and reverting back to the main variation. Okay? So we want this to end by January 1st of the following year. Okay? Now we can also change this to repeat. So we can say this is going to be a yearly publication, and we can, of course, make sure that we maintain both of these parallel branches. And here we can say it's going to be yearly, all right, and every November 1st. Okay, and for every however many years, you can go ahead and add them there. All right, and you could choose however many years you want to here as well. So you could do something like 10 years. Once it's all said and done here and you are good to go, you can go ahead and just click Add Event at the bottom right. All right. So this now gives us our new event where we will publish our holiday season variation in November. We will revert back to the main variation in January, and we are good to go. That's automated for us. So make sure if you are using staging to take advantage of some of those automated features. All right, in the next section, which is the last section, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the business review process from top to bottom. So I'll see you in the next section.